Here I've got VERNEE Thor Plus, and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and go to About Phone. Then go down to the bottom of the list and keep tapping on build number, just tap several times. And as you can see, from now on, you are a developer. So let me go back, and here they appear. So as you can see, now you have access to developer options, open them, and plenty of very useful features and options now are allowed. So for example, you can show surface updates, pointer location, show tabs, and many other super options. You can also switch off this mode permanently simply by tapping on this icon, and now developer options are off. So that's it. This is how you can activate developer options. Then you can use them as you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.